Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I present my clients their logo concepts. And I've seen other designers send their clients individual JPEGs when they do their logo, when they're sending their clients their logo concepts. And I feel like it is more professional and more easier on the clients if you send them an actual PDF presentation, or you can use Keynote or PowerPoint as well, but I use InDesign to create my presentations. And I've had clients actually tell me that they loved seeing their presentations. It just made it so much easier to see all their logo concepts all in one file instead of a bunch of individual JPEGs. And I actually use the Apple Store app Asana to send my clients these presentations. It just makes it so much easier than using email. We communicate on it as well, and it's just, I highly recommend you use Asana if you're going to be working with clients or teammates or whatever. So, yeah. I guess I'm just going to show you in a screencast my presentation that I created with InDesign. You'll have a feel of how I created it with InDesign. And yeah, so let's just get down to it and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so here is one of my presentations that I've used for one of my past clients. And yes, this is the intro slide. It just says logo design presentation created by Christy Brown Designs. And then it is saved as a PDF document. That way it's just easier for them to view. And so we'll go to the second document, which is just a brief introduction to the presentation. It just states, the what I understand from what they have told me in the client questionnaire, and it just tells them that I had a fantastic time creating their logos and lets them know to send me a comment in the Asana project. And I also include a little signature of me down below as well. And then there's the first concept, which shows some mock-ups and things like that and the logo, and then I just kind of have like a little brief of how I thought the concept works for their brand and why I created it for them. And then it's the same thing for the concept 2 as well, and concept 3. And as you can tell, I mean, it just looks all out professional and just gives them, they're easy to click through. They get to see, 3 different pictures of it. They get to see a mock-up of it. And it just helps them, they can easily flip back and forth to decide which concept is their favorite. And then I have actually 4 concepts for this client presentation. And then it just ends with the thanks for viewing and just reminds them again to please send me feedback in the comments. And then it has my website for them to go to as well and my logo. And then I also will be having available on my website to download a presentation template. It's pretty much, the same thing I have here. You can change the color as well, and it's available to be changed with InDesign. So you will need InDesign to edit the presentation, and I will show you how it looks here. So as you can tell, I don't have no picture right now, but you can easily just click this turquoise background and just change the yellow one here. You can change it, just place, click it, and then go to place. And pretty much just choose any image that you would want as the background. And then I already have the transparency set for this color, so you would see the picture behind it. And you can easily change the color of this as well. can change it to, I don't know, maybe you want like a reddish color that you can change it to. Well, you know, you just kind of mess around with the different colors that you can use. And then for the second slide, you can change the owner name, the client brand name here, and then I kind of explained what kind of you want to say to your clients right here, and then you can add your own signature here. And what I did is I just took my iPad, wrote my name on it, took a screenshot of it, and then upload it as a JPEG and just put it down there, which you can do as well, or you can find your own way to do your signature and put it there. And then for concept 1, I mean, you just click one of these and then you can go to File and you can click Place and do the same thing like we did that first slide and just choose your picture that you would want, and it would just click on one, and then you would want to click this and adjust the size of the image. Do that over. You want to make sure that it stays in here, and then you can just keep adjusting. And then that's pretty good. And now you can go to right click and then display performance, high quality display. That way you can see that it's not blurry and it's actually in high quality. And then you have, I mean, you do the same thing for concept 2, concept 3, and concept 4. And then you can change it here and just, you know, the same thing, and go to place and place your image there. And yeah, and then you can change your website name, change, you know, create by, you'd want to put, you know, your company name. And yeah, it's pretty much, you know, it's pretty simple. And you, like I said, you just need InDesign, and you can easily edit this yourself, and I will have it available to download as a .indd. And if you head to the blog post, you can see it at my website, and it will be on my library list. So you just need to subscribe to the library, and then you'd be available to download. And for now, that is exactly what I have for the video, and you can like and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video.